Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video of this 2018 registered Volkswagen Passat. This is the 1.4 petrol hybrid GTE Advance 6-speed DSG Auto. Current recorded mileage 58,101. Finished in a beautiful shade called Deep Black Pearl. It's a one registered keeper car from new. Full Volkswagen specialist service history. 4 services in total, the most recent one being carried out by a Volkswagen specialist in March 2021 at 58,000 miles. This also included a set of front wiper blades. MOT expires on the 12th of March 2022 and there were no advisories. Very good set of premium branded Continental tyres. Fronts have got 4.5mm and the rears have got 4.8 and 3.8mm. Very high level of equipment, front and rear parking sensors, as well as the rear camera and the 360-degree top view. Has the electric power tailgate, privacy glass, also comes with a factory fitted tow bar. Super efficient engine, naturally ULEZ exempt being a Euro 6 hybrid car. Returns 166 mpg officially. Maximum power output with engine and electric motor is 214 brake horsepower. Very low banding, only 40 grams of CO2, 12 months road tax is £140. Inside we have a beautiful oyster grey full leather upholstery, set of fitted black carpet mats both front and rear. Again, lovely interior fronts. Electric folding wing mirrors along with the electric windows front and rear. You have a button there to navigate the electric power tailgate, say automatic headlights with the LED running lights. Multifunctional steering wheel. You've got the virtual cockpit, which you can have various things displayed on the main screen ahead of you, things like, for instance, naturally speed, but then things like satellite navigation. You can have your phone menu on the display, you can have the radio on the display, etc. And you've got your other central display for media, satellite navigation, Bluetooth telephone. Also you have things like Apple CarNet, heated front seats along with the digital climate control air conditioning and the automatic transmission, as well as the electric park brake and the auto hold. The car also comes with the panoramic sunroof, which also has the opening facility as well with an electric internal sunblind. This beautiful condition Volkswagen Passat GTE is declared as HPI clear. We have 2 sets of remote central locking keys. We do have a full book pack including handbook. We also have the service history. There is a tyre inflation kit along with the gel pack. We do have the fast charging cable. All tools are present. We can give you also some very competitive finance terms at the moment, and this is an example of a hire purchase agreement over 48 months with a 20% deposit with payments of just £361.29. Interest rate is fixed at a very low 4%. The APR representative again here very low at just 9.1%. For further information, please go to our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you can read a full vehicle description, view the extensive photography along with the walk around video, see all of our warranty information. You can use the interactive finance calculator as well as reading the independent consumer reviews. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch the video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us at Berkshire Used Cars.